What it do, YouTube? What it do, YouTube? What it do? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the KB Show, man. We got another shop vlog with a $300,000 Range Rover SV. I'm gonna show you what we did, man. Just a quick update. So as you can see in here, out back we have 3 new runs of wire ran. We have our 2 inputs for our rear stage, so that way we can have active crossover points. And then we have our output for our center channel speaker here that we ran. So these have to be ran to our amplifier. We got to get an amp, 2 inputs and an output from our factory amplifier. And then let me show y'all what's going on back here with the amp board. So you can see back here we got our amp board wired up. We got our Gladen 830 DSP amplifier wired up. We have our Gladen 410 4-channel amplifier. This amplifier is going to run our center channel and our rear stage outputs. Then we have our Muscani 230. This one's going to run the 3 woofers that we put in here. So, and then we have our crossovers for the rear stage, tweeters and 3.5s. Our 6.5s are gonna be ran off this amplifier here. So yeah, just wanted to give y'all an update, man, on the Range. It's coming along, man. We're the first ones to do it, so it's coming along. It's coming along. We'll tap in with y'all when we get this sub box in here. Yes, sir.